Hey everyone, Michelle Strange here with some more tips for infection prevention. I have hand sanitizers that I wanted to talk to you about. So I ordered from Henry Schein this infection prevention starter kit that came from Hufredi. And in that had two options for hand sanitizers. We also have the ones that you can find in the stores, like your Germex, your Purells, things like that. But I wanted to remind you that everything has instructions for use and they're all different. So be sure to read your instructions for use and also know that, it's about it being compatible with your skin. So if you're getting super dried out, you might want to look for hand sanitizers that have less alcohol and more emollients in there that will help with the dryness factor. But according to the CDC, we want that hand sanitizer to be anywhere between 60, I hear 90%, but I've also heard 95%. This one has 85% ethyl alcohol, and this one has 70%. So again, very different. And then also how long we keep it on our hands is going to be very different. So this one doesn't actually have a time on here. It just says apply to hands, clean, dry hands covering entire surface, including nails, rub until dry. So I'll show you that. And then this one just says rub hands together covering all surfaces until hands are dry for about 30 seconds. So just read your instructions for use because they're all going to be a little bit different. And when you are doing it, you want enough in your hand that you're going to get everything wet. And then it is this rubbing action very similar to your hand hygiene, getting your nails, getting all those nooks and crannies and the webbings. So it's the motion that's very similar to your hand hygiene with soap and water. And again, we want it to dry. We don't want to wipe it off because we want this to work for us. So just check out your instructions for use. Don't use anything over 90 or 95% because that can be super drying and it actually is not as effective. And if you do have issues with your hands and dryness, just know that there are multiple products out there. In fact, this one has vitamin E and aloe added to it. So it might be a good option for you. But I hope that helps. Good luck and continue to enjoy these infection prevention tips from me.